Before replacing a weak shower head, look closely at its nozzles. If some spray normally while others shoot sideways or produce no water, mineral buildup is probably blocking the flow. Start by unscrewing the shower head from the arm. Protect its finish with a cloth if you need to use adjustable pliers. Check the inlet for a small screen and remove any visible sediment without damaging the screen or flow control components. For a standard chrome shower head, soak the clogged portion in white vinegar to soften mineral deposits. If the head has a special decorative finish, check the manufacturer's cleaning instructions first because prolonged exposure to vinegar can damage certain coatings. Never mix vinegar with bleach or another cleaner. After soaking, rub flexible rubber nozzles gently with your fingers and use a soft toothbrush on stubborn deposits. Avoid metal pins or sharp tools that could enlarge the openings and permanently distort the spray pattern. Rinse the shower head thoroughly and flush water through it in the reverse direction if its design allows. Clean debris from the inlet screen, but don't automatically remove the factory-installed flow restrictor. Reattach the head, tighten it by hand, and run the shower to flush out loosened particles. Check the threaded connection for leaks before using any tool to tighten it further. Compare the spray pattern before and after cleaning. If the flow remains weak with the shower head removed, the restriction is somewhere else in the plumbing. Like this method for the next time hard water begins blocking the nozzles.